Hello students, how are you all? On the demand of the students, some students told me to make videos in English language also. They told me that just give some videos on the basic knowledge of multiplication in English language. Therefore, I have started this series in which I'll give the multiplication tricks in English. So this is our first video. If any more students need videos in English, can comment me in my comment box. So we are going to multiply two-digit numbers within seconds. For that we have taken one example like 43 multiplied by 21. This multiplication will be done in 3 steps so as to make easy for you all. Whereas it will be done in one step multiply it at a fast rate. So if I am going to multiply it after my practice, how will it look on and how much time will it take? Just look at this and calculate the time. 3 1 ja 3, 4 1 ja 4 and 6 10, 1 carry, 4 2 ja 8 and 1 9. This much time will be taken to multiply these two numbers with each other. I am going to explain this step by step. Let's start the process how we have to multiply all these two numbers with each other within seconds. It's not a big deal, just learn it and do some practice. You'll also do this at this fast rate. So we have number 43 and 21 to be multiplied with each other. For first step, what we have to do, multiply the unit digit of one number with the unit digit of another number. 3 multiplied by 1, that is 3. This is the first step. Second step is the most important step and crucial one which you have to follow up. The second step is you have to multiply these alternative numbers like 4 multiplied by 1. We can also say the cross multiplication of these numbers, and we have to add them with each other. So 4 1 is 4 and 3 2 is 6 is 10. We had 3 from previous step, and from this 10 what I have to take is 0, as 10 cannot be written. This one will be carried forward. In third step, what you have to do, just multiply the tens digit with tens digit of each number. 4 2 is 8 and 1 was carried out from the previous step, so the answer will be 903. This will be your answer, and it will be done in these 2 seconds or 3 seconds. Let us take another example that this multiplication will be very clear from the further example. Now just take 24 and 32. 24 and 32. For first step, we have to multiply the unit digit by unit digit, that is 4 2 is 8. For second step, what we have to do is the cross multiplication of the numbers, that is 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. We'll just write it over here. 4 is 12, 12 and 4 is 16, from which 6 will be written over here and 1 will be carried away. 24 and 32, the last step, what we have to do is 3 2 is 6 and 1 was carried from the last step, that is 7 6 8. Like this you have to do the multiplication of a 2-digit number with a 2-digit number, so it will be very easy to make it within seconds. Let us take one more example where the calculation is little bit difficult because the numbers are bigger than the previous one, but will be done same process and the same steps. Like 97 multiplied by 86, here the numbers are bigger one, the digits are bigger one, so that the calculation will be little bigger and little more difficult. But if you know the addition, because in the second step we have to multiply the cross one and have to add them. If these are done in a proper manner and you are expert in addition, then it will not be a difficulty for you at all. It will be done within a line. So what will be the first step? The first step was 7 multiplied by 6, that is 42. 2 is taken over here and 4 is carried away. 97 and 86, what we have to do, this is the most important step. We have to multiply this with this and this with this. So 9 6 is 54, 54 will be written over here. 8 7 is 56, 56 will be written over here. 56 and 46, 54 and 56 will be added. 0, 5 5 10 and 1 11, 1 1 0, out of which 0 will be taken and 11 will be taken as the carry for the next step. So this will be 2 0, 11 is carry, 11 is taken as carry. Now the next step is 97 into 86. What we have to do is we have to multiply this tens digit with tens digit. 9 8 is 72 and 11 was the carry which we have to add in this step. So it will be 3 7 and 1 8. So it will be 8302. Multiplication of 97 into 86 is 8302. So what is the most important and exciting thing in this kind of multiplication is there, we can do this in within one line. Otherwise, going by the previous method or old method, what we have to do, we have to make it in two steps and then have to add it. So making it easier to do it within a one line, what we have to do, now we have seen the steps what we have to follow in the multiplication. I'm going you to show how we can do it in one line and what will happen in that case. So let us take one example, 32 multiplied by 54. Let it be. So what we have to do is we have to do it in within one line. So 4 to the 8, we have to now make the cross multiplication. 4 3 is 12 and 5 to the 10. 12 and 10 are 22. Because I am expert at addition, by practice you will also be expert at addition and you not need to write it any other place. So 4 is 12 and 5 to the 10 is 22. Will take 2 as carry. 5 now last step is 5 3 is 15 and 2 is 17. 1728 will be done in one line and within 3 seconds. So doing like this and following the steps what I have taught you and practicing them, you can do the multiplication of a 2-digit number with any 2-digit number within seconds. So we'll meet you in next week. Till then, just practice this and be expert at this. Keep watching. Thank you.